Hello, I am hoping you're all good. I hope you're keeping dry Nairobi. My name is Christine. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome to my channel. I am glad you could make it here. As you can see, I'm in my little kitchen and I want to make something I saw being sold out there. And since I'm not taking street foods, because the last time I took motura, it's called African sausage, I almost met my maker. I actually didn't go to work for 2 days. Yeah, so I want to make cassava with kachumbari. I don't know if it's kachumbari or kachumbali. Depends with your nursery school teacher. Yeah, so I want to make cassava. Yeah, cassava, and I just realized its other name is yuca, and I don't know whether it's pronounced yuca or juca. Um, yeah, with kachumbari and eggs. So yeah, let's go right ahead. I have already soaked my onions in salty water to remove the bitterness. This is my nyanya, um, and this is my boiled ngwashe. What do you call ngwashe in Kiswa in English? Sweet potatoes, and this is my cassava. I wanted to buy more cassavas, but they turned out to be quite costly, so I bought just 2 pieces and sweet potatoes. So I'm going to slice them into small pieces, like the ones we make small pieces like fries. So yeah, let's slice them. Meanwhile, I'll be boiling my cooking oil. So I have already sliced them into big pieces because they're already cooked, so that they do not become messy. And as you can see, this one had a root in between here. You can see here. So you're supposed to remove it when you are done boiling it. Yeah, apparently that root is poisonous, so it should not be eaten. And I have already beaten my egg. I've mixed it with pilau masala. This is purely an experimental thing. I've never tried it again. So yeah, here we have pilau masala and a pinch of salt. So let's deep fry them. Yeah, my oil is already boiling, and sadly it has burnt kidogo. Yeah, you know that's a bit dangerous. So I'm starting with the muhogo. It's cassava in Igris, or yuca in whatever language. I don't know what language is that. so long because they're already cooked. Yeah, just to get that crunchy feeling. So let me dip my ngwashis in this mixture of. As I said, they were already cooked, so it's only the egg we were supposed to be cooking, and to achieve the crunchy feeling, or is it taste? Yeah, so let's remove the first batch. And let us add the second one. So these are sweet potatoes we are adding. So my meal is cooked. This is the cassava, or yuca if you like. This is sweet potato, the one that I've put in eggs, and this one was done without eggs. I have already finished, or rather my kachumbari is already served, and yeah, I'm ready to enjoy my meal. In place of pilau masala, you can put any other any other words. You can put any other pilau masala, ginger, anything else you fancy. In your kachumbari, you can also put green pepper or black pepper, whichever you like. And yeah, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. So see you around, and don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, and yeah, see you around.